How are you all? Okay. Uh, Welcome to course Final Year Project 2, MEM602. My name is Muhammad Mahazir bin Mahmud. I has been given the responsibility as a resource person for this course. So today I will give some briefing or introductions about the course that you will further going in this semester. Okay, let's look on the course, general course descriptions. Once again, congratulations to you, all of you, because you have complete MEM601 first year project 1. Because this course is continuous from the previous FYP1. So what will happen in this course that student, that means you will have an opportunity to apply knowledge and skills required in the early courses to the solutions of an engineering problem. So in this course, it also focus on the executions of the project. Student also have to complete project evaluations. Will your project will be evaluated, and then you also have to complete testing and also do analysis toward completions and achievement the project objective that have you proposed in FYP1. So as a student, you have to communicate their findings or your findings of project outcome in both written and also oral form. The course methodology and the assessments will be given according to the supervisor evaluations, 55%. Your poster or slide presentations, 20%, and also the mark will come from the second examiner evaluations, 25%. And we don't have, or you don't have to do the final examination because this course is 100% coursework, so the total is 100%. Please prepare yourself with a good written and also with a good presentation. Okay, further, I go more further. There is some reminders I have to tell you earlier. Number one, please complete, okay, the entrance exit survey that you can do it in your future, okay, system. So number two, please meet supervisor weekly or every week, okay. This is a compulsory. Number three, change of title of supervisor or co-supervisor must be applied formally. I have provide a, a formal form that you have to fill in before you can change the title and also your supervisor or co-supervisor. If you want to use a laboratory, please follow standard procedure. As an example, booking, and also you have to make it safety. Okay, please follow the procedure SOP. Uh, Number five, proofread your dissertations before submissions. This is a compulsory. And your plagiarism issue must be less than 30% similarity. Okay, 30%. Okay, now we have a new system, not turn it in. We have transits to the new system. Sorry about that. I forgot the name of that new system. Okay, but we have to please ask your supervisor. If you have a problem in incomplete your project two, final project two, you can also apply for TL. Okay, TL is a tidak lengkap. So, but the TL applications must be follow these conditions. If you are in the medical reason, also if you decrease these decreases of parents and close relative, but students should submit the death certificate as evidence. Okay, this is the proof of that problems. And also student that required working outstations. So this is only valid for PLK student only. And then other conditions that approved by academic board committee. Okay, is this all conditions are followed? So you can apply the TL. Okay. Okay. Now let's go or let's see uh, in detail what is about MEM602. Okay, student, you can also go to your UFuture system. For me, I will go it's UFuture system. So in my account, I type UFuture. Okay, this is a website of UFuture. So it will be going goes to my account. So from here, I go to the final year project 2, MEM620. So now we have, in this semester, we have 54 students. Okay, so click view. From there, you go to the folder pmts.m. Okay, click the folder. Okay, in here I put all the relevant files that can you make as a reference. So firstly, I want to show to you about the course outline. Okay, course outline that you have to understand. Okay, click on the course outline of the student. Okay, this is all the course outline. I hope you can see. Okay. So as you see in here, course outline, the course is name is, as I mentioned earlier, this is a final year project 2, and the level for this course is for bachelor degree manufacture EM241. So your credit unit is 4. So you have the consultations 1 hour per week, and also the practical 7 hours per week. So the student learning time in 1 week is about 8 hours. Okay, so you have to complete 8 hours your student learning time yourself. Okay, this course is for part 8, and the course status is non-core, and of course the prerequisite is MEM601. The outcome of this course, what you should able to completion is it have a six CO. Okay, six CO. Okay, course outcome number 1. So uh, that means you should able to investigate. Okay, investigate independently the previous previously derived outcome within a time constraint. So this CO1 reflect to program outcome number 3, PO3. So CO number 2, execute the appropriate techniques, creatively with good judgment, the solution method for the problem as defined in MEM601. So this reflect to the program outcome number 5. CO number 3, evaluate critically the result from the various analysis performed on the structure of investigation. So this is evaluate. So this reflect to program outcome number 4, and course outcome number 4, defend the finding from the study or investigations of the project. So this is mapping to the program outcome number 9. So you also have to, or you also should be able to explain effectively the result or outcome in both writing and oral form. Okay, this is course outcome number 5, and it reflect to program outcome number 9. And you should also able to identify the need for long life learning as a soft skill and discipline, and engage in independence and life learning activity. Therefore, course outcome number 6, and it's a map to program outcome number 11. Okay, so actually, guys, you should be able to complete all these 6 course outcome of this uh, course. Okay, and the course descriptions in detail. Actually, as I mentioned earlier, this is the second part of your 2-phase final year projects. So what happened here? Students should apply knowledge and skills uh, uh, to uh, acquire the earlier courses to the solution of the engineering problems. So this I have mentioned earlier. That means the main focus you have to executions of the projects, project evaluations, testing, analysis, because you have to complete your achievement of the project objective. Okay, because the project objective has been determined in FYP1. So in FYP2, you further continue your projects to completion your, or to get your objective, what you want to do in your project. Okay, to solve the engineering problem. Okay, the course methodology I have mentioned. Okay, how the assessment, and then recommended textbook. Okay, recommended textbooks. So this I lead to the recommended textbook. Number 1, you can manual of the writing thesis. Okay, this manual, maybe this manual I provide in other file in this folder. Okay, and also you can look on the pocket books of technical writing for engineering writing. Okay, this is, and also you have references. Okay, another references that you can read or find and read. Okay, if you require to do so. Okay, and other references also depends upon the type of nature of your selected project. Okay, this is for course outcome MEM602. Okay, next we go for the flow chart. Okay, you scroll down this and you will find the flow chart. Okay, for this semester. Okay, let me show the flow process of your course. Actually, you will start uh, in this semester, this week. So please complete your entry survey. Uh, then your week one, your entry survey. Uh, Please fill in this kind of form. Okay, FYP21. Okay, you can get this or this all form in this content. Okay, another in this content another folder. Okay, from here start, and then in week 4. Okay, week 1 to week 4, maybe you still having difficulty to find the equipment, laboratory assessment, and so on. So complete that complete that task firstly. Okay, and then from there, week 4 to week 12, maybe if you have finished your experiment analysis, so you have writing. Okay, parallel with your process of testing and analysis, you also uh, made a writing of thesis. So please submit or please give your thesis to the to supervisor by each chapter. Okay, chapter by chapter. It is easy for supervisor to read your thesis. Okay, if you give one final thesis, it's okay, but for me, my advice, better you give your supervisor chapter by chapter, and then your supervisor will make the corrections or will make the comments to your chapter. Okay, because in chapter you have to schedule or plan what the content you want to put in each chapter. Okay, along you study, and then if you have the problem or you want to or you have not you want you have to apply the TL, so please do so, and then please apply using this form FYP 15, and then if your applications been accepted, then you can go back to start. Okay, that's mean for the next semester. If you not if your application is not accepted, so you have to go for the submissions of the thesis in week 13. Okay. So for the submissions also from there, not also you submit the e-final thesis, you also have to submit the logbook to the supervisor. So along with the submissions, please fill in this form. That means FYP 16 COPO, FYP 17 COPO, and also FYP 18. Okay. So in week 14, we will have the slide presentations, and please fill in the exit survey. Okay, and then from there, week 17, submissions of e-thesis by 2 CDs, and week 19 is key in process. So for the presentations or slide presentations, parallel with that, please fill the form of FYP20 COP. So that is the flow process of your FYP2 along this semester. Okay. Okay, selain daripada itu, okay, kamu juga mesti mengisi logbook sebab setiap minggu kamu akan berjumpa dengan supervisor. So, perjumpaan kamu tu hendaklah membawa bersama dengan logbook. Okay, ini adalah file ini adalah template logbook yang rasmi yang diguna pakai. Okay. So kamu boleh tengok ini kat sini. Okay, ini adalah logbook yang diguna pakai. So kamu boleh gunakan logbook yang ini, template inilah. Okay, untuk diisi dan berjumpa. Ini adalah contoh. Okay, contoh logbook. So template dia ada dekat sini lah. Kamu boleh ambil kat sini. Okay, download file ni. So ambil kat sini. Okay, di dalam konten ni juga saya masukkan juga poster ataupun slide presentation rubric. Okay. Okay, yang ni adalah rubric yang diguna pakai. So rubric ini adalah pemakahan yang diberikan oleh panel-panel penilai kepada kamu berdasarkan kepada kriteria yang dimasukkan di sini. Okay, jadi kamu boleh lihat, kamu boleh baca dan juga cuba untuk memenuhi rubrik-rubrik ini dalam menyiapkan kamu punya projek. Okay, ni untuk slide presentation. Saya masukkan juga rubrik untuk final report writing. Okay, kamu boleh lihat dan baca kat sini apa kriteria yang kami hendak nilai kamu. Bagaimana kami nak kamu membentuk kamu menjadi sebagaimana. So, projek ataupun report writing kamu tu kalau seboleh-bolehnya mengikut kehendak kriteria-kriteria tersebut. Okay, ini rubrik untuk writing. So, seterusnya saya tunjukkan schedule. Okay. Okay, ini adalah schedule ataupun perancangan jadual yang saya telah rangka. So kita akan ada 14 minggu. So minggu yang pertama sehinggalah minggu yang ke-12 itu adalah proses kamu untuk menyiapkan tesis dan juga eksperimen dan analisis. So kita ada kuliah 1, kuliah 2 dan kuliah 3. Minggu yang ke-13 kamu dikehendaki untuk menghantar final draft e-thesis dan juga logbook. Okay. Logbook ni sama ada secara soft copy ataupun hard copy. So penghantaran kamu tu hendaklah dihantar kepada panel-panel penilai yang akan dilantik nanti. Kemudian CC final draft e-thesis kamu tu kepada saya. Okay. Dan the deadline of these submissions is 8 July 2020. That's me on Friday, 3 to 5 p.m. So after 13 week 14, the slide presentation will be happen. Okay. So the platform that we will use is online Google Meet. So the presentation schedule will be I will release on week 12 and week 13. Okay, insyaAllah. So dalam sini slide presentation akan ada 2 panel penilai yang akan memberi penilaian kepada kamu. So akan berlaku dalam minggu ke-14. Selepas minggu ke-14 iaitu pada pada 18 hingga 22 Januari, ini adalah pemarkahan yang akan saya terima daripada supervisor dan juga para penilai. Okey, panel penilai. Dan untuk kamu student involved adalah pada 25 hingga 29 iaitu week 16. What will happen that you have to submit final thesis in 2 CDs. Okay, burn it in the CDs, 2 CDs, and the CDs must be follow the formats that I will show you next. Okay, format tu jangan burn lepas tu buat ikut suka kamu. Tak boleh ikut format yang dinyatakan nanti. So deadline dia 29 Julai 2022. So pada hari Jumaat iaitu 2 hingga 5 petang. Okay. So cara penghantarannya saya akan maklumkan kemudian. So ini adalah perancangan schedule lah. Okay. Jadual perancangan yang akan kamu hadapi untuk semester ini. Okey, dalam ni juga tadi saya kata CD ya. CD yang format CD itu kamu boleh tengok kat sini dalam thesis and CD submission. So kat sini akan ada CD sample cover, guideline to submit thesis, okay, dan banyak lagi lah. Cuma hard bound front cover ni kamu tak payah buat sebab sekarang ni pihak pengajian college telah memutuskan bahawa tidak perlu lagi menghantar hard bound. Okay, sekarang ni cuma menghantar final thesis dalam bentuk CDs. Okay, ni juga ada manual writing thesis. Boleh tengok di sinilah. Okay, itu untuk cara-cara thesis dan sebagainya. Kemudian di bahagian form SYP2, di sini terdapat all the forms that I mentioned earlier. So please refer to the flow process, which form you must submit to me or also to your panel examinator. Okay, so ikut form mana yang kamu kena hantar. Okay, semua form ada kat sini. So just click in, fill in, and also send to me or send to your panel evaluator. Okay, itu form. Satu lagi perkara yang saya nak bagi tahu, selain daripada sini, dalam proses untuk kamu menulis nanti, ada satu kaedah yang kamu boleh ikut, iaitu kaedah di mana pihak UiTM telah membantu menyediakan template ataupun format thesis. So kamu tak perlu ubah, kamu tak boleh buat apa. Kamu boleh ambil format tersebut, kemudian kamu perlu membuat pengubahsaian mengikut level sarjana muda kamu. Sebab format itu sebenarnya dikhususkan untuk postgraduate. Okay, so dia ada chapter, dia ada bahagian di mana dia tulis postgraduate dan sebagainya. So kamu perlu ubah format tersebut sedikit and then sesuaikan dengan sarjana muda kamu. So bagaimana untuk mengambil format tersebut ataupun template tersebut? Kamu boleh pergi ke Google search kat sini, kamu type IPSIS UiTM, masuk IPSIS UiTM, klik IPSIS UiTM. So bila dia dah masuk dalam sesawang IPSIS, So kamu pergi ke student. Okay, kamu pergi ke saya cari style directory, student. Postgraduate. Dia dekat download, actually dia dekat search. Okay, kita search template thesis. Okay, saya tak jumpa lagi. Dia ada dekat download actually. Okay, tak apa. Nanti saya akan bagi tahu kemudian. Okay, tentang perkara ni. So, bila template tu dah jumpa, nanti saya akan bagi tahu. Kamu perlu ubah suai template tersebut. Cara untuk ubah suai dia, kamu boleh follow salah seorang staff pensyarah kanan, okay, UiTM yang mana beliau yang telah membuat template tersebut. Kamu type kat sini Dr. Zuli apa? Okay. Okay, ini adalah Dr. Zuli bin Jaafar. So masuk kepada Dr. Zuli. Dalam ini kamu tengok video bagaimana untuk kamu thesis formatting translated. Okay, translating dia. So dekat sini ada berbagai kaedah yang diajar. Okay, so menggunakan ataupun merujuk apa yang telah dilakukan oleh Dr. Muhammad Zuli ni. So kamu boleh gunakan dengan bantuan beliau lah. Okay, so minta maaf saya tak jumpa yang tu, nanti saya akan bagi tahu balik. Okay, so all the best, itu saja setakat ini from my introductions and briefing in course final year project 2 MEM602 for this semester March August 2022. So all the best, may Allah be with you all. Okay, selamat berjuang. Okay, terima kasih dan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera.